The next industrial revolution is here. And with it, a new kind of factory. AI infrastructure is an ecosystem-scale challenge, requiring hundreds of companies to collaborate. NVIDIA Omniverse DSX is a blueprint for building and operating gigascale AI factories. For the first time, the building, power, and cooling are co-designed with NVIDIA's AI infrastructure stack. It starts in the Omniverse digital twin. Jacobs Engineering optimizes compute density and layout to maximize token generation according to power constraints. They aggregate SIM-ready OpenUSD assets from Siemens, Schneider Electric, Trane, and Vertiv into PTC's product lifecycle management. Then simulate thermals and electricals with CUDA accelerated tools from ETAP and Cadence. Once designed, NVIDIA partners like Bechtel and Vertiv deliver prefabricated modules, factory-built, tested, and ready to plug in. This shrinks build time significantly, achieving faster time to revenues. When the physical AI factory comes online, the digital twin acts as an operating system. Engineers prompt AI agents from Phaidra and Emerald AI, previously trained in the digital twin, to optimize power consumption and reduce strain on both the AI factory and the grid. In total, for a 1 gigawatt AI factory, DSX optimizations can deliver billions of dollars in additional revenue per year. Across Texas, Georgia, and Nevada, NVIDIA's partners are bringing DSX to life. In Virginia, NVIDIA is building an AI factory research center using DSX to test and productize Vera Rubin, from infrastructure to software. With DSX, NVIDIA partners around the world can build and bring up AI infrastructure faster than ever.